Hello, this is the part 2 video on lines and angles chapter. Today we are discussing the theorem if the two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So see, this side, this theorem you get in page 117 your textbook, NCERT textbook page 117. You can get this theorem. So see this side. AB and CD two straight line drawing. These two straight line intersect at this point. This point is O. Okay, now we can prove their vertically opposite angles are equal. So last class we can see that which one is the vertically opposite angle. See, for this angle the vertically opposite angle is this one, and for this their vertically opposite angle is this. So now we can prove this and this is equal and this equal. This means angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Again AOC is equal to angle BOD. So first you can see, let us consider two straight line AB and CD. That means what? AB and this one is CD. This line is CD. AB and CD intersect each other at the point O. There AB and CD, these two lines intersect at this point. This point is what? Right at O point. We get two pair of the we get two pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay, these two pairs are what? These are angle AOD and angle BOC, and second pair AOC and BOD. To prove that, what you can prove that AOD and BOC is equal and AOC is equal to BOD. So this and this, their symbol is, I write their symbol is same. See, this and this. So these two equal and these two equal. Now we can prove. So how can you prove this one? See. So for proof we can take first this side. This is the OD. This OD ray. See everybody, this is OD is a OD. CD is a straight line. Then OD is a what? OD is a ray. Again AB is a straight line. If we can take the OA part, then this one is a ray. If we can take OB part, then this one also a ray. If we can take OC, then also this one is a ray. So first we write OD stands on AB. That means see, there you can take any one ray. Suppose I take the ray OD ray. From this figure you can take any one ray. So first I take the OD ray. If you want to take, then you can take the OA. OC also you can take it, then also correct. OB you can take, then also correct. OB is standing on CD, OA is standing on CD, but I taking OD. OD ray stands on the line AB. So then this angle and this angle, this means angle AOD plus angle BOD. These two angles sum is equal to how much? See, this angle. This angle means what? This symbol means what? Last class I see this symbol means 180 degrees. So there this angle plus this angle, these two angles sum is equal to how much? 180 degree, because AB is a straight line. So and these two are the linear pair angle. So see, OD stands on AB, angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. AOD and plus BOD, these two angles sum is equal to 180 degree. After then, this is equation number 1 rating, and these two are the linear pair angle. So after then this OD, after then you can take again one ray. This ray you cannot take the if you can want to take that side also correct and that side also correct. So OD, after then I take the line OB. If you can take OA, then also correct. Okay, so I take the OD next ray you can take. OD next ray is what? OB. If you can want to take OD, then also correct. So first I take the OB ray. So OB is stand on the line CD. See, OB stands on CD. That same condition is coming. OB stands on the line CD, that means angle BOD plus angle BOC. This angle plus this angle. These two angles sum is 180 degree because this one is forming a line CD. Okay, angle BOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. You can see BOD plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2. Now see that from 1 and 2, these two equations, right hand side is equal. Yes or not? 180 degree, 180 degree. So when right hand side is equal, then obviously left hand side also equal. So AOD plus BOD is equal to angle BOD plus angle BOC. From 1 and 2, this left hand side is equal with this left hand side. Then see, there if two equal value plus both side, then they are cancelling each other. Suppose this side also plus BOD have, they are also plus BOD have. So these two are cancelling each other. Yes or not? Then what left is this side AOD is equal to this side left angle BOC. These two equal value, so cancel each other and add both sides. So cancelling each other, to left AOD is equal to BOC. That means we can get one pair. AOD is equal to BOC. One pair of the vertically opposite angles are equal getting. So for the next pair, again you can take, see this side. One time again see this first page. For the second pair of vertically opposite angle, you can see I take the OA. There also I drawing that same figure. If you can draw one time, then also correct. Not need to do that 2 times drawing. So see, I take the OA. OA. This OA ray is stand on CD. Yes or not? So OA ray is stand on this CD straight line. That means this angle and this angle. This angle plus this angle, these two angles sum is how much? 180 degree, because these are the linear pair angle. So next I writing OA stands on CD on line CD. So angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. This OA standing CD. So angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. AOC plus AOD, these two angles sum is 180 degree. Now taking OA na, after the next I take the next I take OD. First I taking OA, after next line, OA next straight line. OA next ray. This is OA taking. OA next ray is what? OA next OD. Next I taking OD ray. OD ray stands on the line AB. So then this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. These two angles sum is equal to 180 degree. So this angle is AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. This one also linear pair angle. Yes or not? So see, angle OD stands on the line AB. So angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. AOD and BOD, these two angles. OD taking, so this angle plus this angle 180 degree. When OA taking, OA stand on the line CD, then this angle AOC plus angle AOD. AOD is equal to 180 degree. So this is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Now you can you see from the 3 and 4, there also left right hand side is equal. Right hand side is 180 180. So obviously left hand side also equal. So AOC plus angle AOD is equal to AOD plus angle BOD. So see, this side and this side is equal. AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus angle BOD. That means this is there also AOD AOD. This AOD angle plus both sides. So that means when the equal value adding both sides, then they are cancelling each other. So these two values are cancelling each other. So left angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is the AOC and BOD. This one is the next pair of the vertically opposite angle. So we can get the both pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. So hence vertically opposite angles are equal. Thank you.